So much more than when you time you whisper in my ear. Don't tell me in my heart. I remember when you said we won't be forever. Then the love will be I was sad. I don't want reasons to forget yesterday. And I played you would stay. But then you going home so far away. I was afraid this time would go. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of party. I have worked to live my life beside you. Let me just show you tonight. And still my children don't touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming until my heart expands. I was there, I really want peace and to forget yesterday. And I pray you would stay until you're going home so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I had to live my life beside you. Maybe I'm just showing you tonight. And until my children come and touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming till my heart expands. Oh, I was afraid this time to come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I learned to live my life beside you. Let me just show you tonight. And until my children come and touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming till my heart expands. Keep on dreaming till my heart expands.
Halika, thank you, Angelica. Ate, halika na. Anong name niya, kuya? Christine, halika na, dali. Angelica, thank you ha. Christine, tara.
Ayan, ikaw na.
Dali.
Anong song?
Ay, walang bayad.
Oo.
Walang bayad yung kanta. Baka isipin niya may bayad yung kanta. Wala ah. Ayan, may bayad yan. Dito wala. Dito to siya. Anong song?
I Just Fall in Love Again.
Yung kay Sarah, I Just Fall in Love. Ganda mo. Ano pangalan ng boyfriend mo?
Jomer.
Hi, Jomar. Shout out to Sir Jomar.
And shout out.
Christine. Kasi saan kayo, Christine?
Valley 1.
Valley 1. Thank you ha. Dito kayo nag-date. Salamat. Yes. Baka mansari nyo. Anniversary.
Kaka-birthday lang.
Kaka-birthday lang, Nino. Siya, ikaw. Ikaw.
Oh, yeah,
Balikan na happy birthday,
Happy birthday. Kailan ka nag-birthday?
10 po.
Noong 10.
Just fall in love again.
I just fall in love again.
Fall in love again. Sana yun mo.
Sarah. Sarah. Yan.
Yan, all go.
Pag walang Jeronimo, Diskaya, Sara Diskaya. Sara. Lahat ng Sara, isa lang nyo. Ladies and gentlemen, ang pambato ng Valley One Paranaque. Christine. Makuha na kaya ang golden mikropono? Ay, maganda yan. Maganda tong song. May original yan. Ano rin?
I must be dreaming, or am I real lying here with you? Take me, you take me and hold us. Don't wide awake, I know a dream is coming true. And don't know why she's falling in love again. Just one touch and it happens every time that I go. I just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself. I'm falling in love with you.
Shit. Magda ka mamaya. Kay Jome.
Papalaban tayo.
Kumanda ka ate, ha?
It matters to mention
Magda ka.
the way you hold me and I just seems to fly. So easy for you to take me this time. Heaven is a moment when I look into your eyes. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and it happens every time that I go. I just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you.
Ate Christine. Kayo'y nakikinig sa Bobo Radio. Yan. Sa airport. Salamat. Galing. Maganda na. Kumakanta pa.
Thank you po.
Galing mo. May anak na kayo?
Yes.
Ay, perfect. Magpakalasing ka ha, para masarap kasi paglasing mamaya.
Kasi para masundan.
Oo. Tsaka masarap paglasing pag binibemba ka. Walang pakiramdam. Hindi. Ganun.
Napatakbo sa airport sa pizza.
Oo. Di ba yun yung sa TikTok? Oo. Kuya Big, thank you ha dyan. Salamat.
Ano ba yun, Ray? Nakakit ka na akyat, tapos bababa ka din.
Ano kuya, para sa inyo to, para sa inyo. Bang, salamat dyan sa inyo. Salamat po. Thank you. Happy birthday, Sir Tick Boy. Itong song po namin ay para sa inyo ngayong gabi. Huwag kayong mag-alala ha. Every Saturday naman kami dito. Pwede kayong
Yeah!
Salamat, Robert Kai!
Ako.
Salamat sa Panginoon sa muli. Come on! Salamat
Ang Pilipinas na sa pagkikisi.
Birthday boy, birthday